Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back. Today's weekly stamping collab was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner, and these are the manicures we prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. I already applied the base polishes. On 3 nails, I applied the Shai nail polish called Fresh Water. And on the other 2 nails, I applied this one called Rain Delay. It's from Brave Steva Polish, which is now called Bases Loaded Lacquer. I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle, so I'm going to apply this one from Sinful Colors called Nail Junkie. On these nails, I'll just apply a little bit at the base of the nail. Now I'm ready to stamp. I'll use the Maniology gold stamping polish called Heart of Gold. This is the stamping plate that I'm going to be using, Beauty Bigbang XL002. I apply the polish on the plate, scrape off the excess, pick it up with the stamper, and stamp it directly onto my nail. Now we'll do a little bit of cleanup. After cleaning up, I'll apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. And this is the completed manicure. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! I would love to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet by clicking the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed watching, leave a thumbs up and let me know.